Okay. So she's cleaning the outside, as you guys see. It got a little dirty while she was walking.
Oh, get out of here with that shit.
So yeah, I see. Wow. So that's how you clean the bottom of a shoe. Oh my gosh, look at that perfection. Look at them nails, by the way, too. Okay. Oh, she's scrubbing that shit. She ain't playing. All right, let's see. Let's see what she's got. Man, she doing better than me. She gonna take over my job. All right, I see. You scrub that. Oh, look at all that coming off. Wow, what a magician right here. Who needs cleaning products? I don't think we need those. And what do you think? Oh, I see that. You can't forget that little spot. Oh, no. Oh. Wow. It disappeared. Man, this is insane right now. Well, that looks like a stubborn one. Oh. Damn. Scrub that shit. Man, if you need your shoes restored, we got it right here. She even got the nails to pick it off. Oh yeah. I think that's a new shoe now. She said, I want the bottoms clean too. Oh man. And that's how you clean a shoe. The end.